Hi all, Anil Nair here. Look at this question based on ratios. 86,581 is divided between A and B in the ratio 9:2. A is to B is 9:2. The difference between 4 times the share of A, 4 times 9 and 10 times the share of B. 36 minus 20, it is 16. 16, how much it is? Total 11 is becoming 86,581. Total sum is, if A gets 9 parts, B gets 2 parts. Total parts are 11. If it is 11, it is 86,581. What if it is 16? Use the concept of rightmost non-zero digit. 1 is becoming 1. 1 ones are 1. 6 ones are 6. Answer rightmost non-zero digit has to be 6. It is not possible. It is not possible. Option A or option B. Any one it is possible. Let me use the concept of digital sum. 16 by 11 into 86,581. Till here clear? 16 by 11 into 86,581. Denominator, what is the digital sum? 2. If the denominator digital sum is 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. It is 5 into 16 is 7. 8 plus 1, 9 out. 14 plus 5, 19. It is 1. 5 into 2, 10. 35. 35 digital sum is 8. Answer digital sum should be 8, which is giving in option B. 3 plus 6 out, 9 out. 1 plus 2 plus 5, 8. So answer for this question is option B. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Digital sum and rightmost non-zero digit. Both combination will help us to solve this question in faster method. I hope you liked the concept. Kindly like the video, share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.